Good morning, guys. Welcome back. In the previous class we already learned about the usage of switch and bulbs. Based on that switch, let's try to make some examples based on the logic gates. Some of the logic gates we are going to learn today is about the AND gate or NAND gate or NOR gate. So here I have already assigned their animations. So let's try to know how to assign their animation first. What we require are switch and bulbs. So from the wizard, let's select the switch, rocker switch, then okay here. So for the selection of this bulbs, you need to select from the symbol factory. Then from here you just select. There are so many options over here. If you use to select any digital symbols, you can select from this symbol factory. Okay, for me, let's select the yellow pylon light, then okay. So here the there is, you can see the difference between from the selection of symbol from the wizards and small factory. In case of the symbol, we select from the wizard directly, you can assign the value, but in case of the symbol, you select from the small symbol factory. Just click on that button, then right click, then cells, or then break cells. So before you assign the value, you need to break the cells. In order to break the cell, you just click on symbols, then right click, then select the option cells or symbols, then break cells. Okay, so that you can assign the value. So in order to make this all gate or gate, NOR gate or NAND gate, let's copy the switch, copy, then paste. Here we already make it the same. So then in the previous class we know how to assign their values. Just double click, then tag name is just nothing but the name of the symbols you have to give it. So tag names or variable name is just the same. So for this tag name, you just assign the value of x. Okay, but I have already take the value of x over here, so you can take any value over here. Suppose let's see b, then double click. So what you assign over here, tag name is b, but we don't know what type it is, data, whether it's analog or digital. So for the memory type, you have to select memory discrete. Okay, then save, close. Then in the same case, you assign the value as c, suppose, then double click, assign the value as memory discrete, then save, close. Okay, so now we already assigned the value of the input. So now let's get back to their truth table first. Have a look over here. For the AND gate, it may be more than 2 input, but for here we are just using for the 2 inputs. Let's take their inputs are x and y, and output as assigned as z. So in case of AND gate, when both are 1, it's going to be 1. So if you came to know their truth table, you can easily assign their value. Okay, so for the OR gate, you just look there carefully. If either one of the inputs are 1 or both are 1, here is the logic. Okay, so in case of AND gate, that means when both are 1. So then let's write their programs. Suppose we already assign the value over here as x. Okay, then for here x, y. Okay, but for the bulb, how we are going to make the output on. In order to make it output on, we already get through the truth table first. So fill color, we have to select the discrete because what we are using it right now is about this thing, whether its value is 0 or 1. So let's select discrete, the x and 1. Okay, but you have to know that if we write simply x, that means its value should be 1. Okay, suppose in case if we use to make it